All right, small little Christmas treat for me. It's a SUNSTER diesel heater. There's the exhaust. You vent it right outside. Gets a little hot, but they also give you some asbestos wrap for it. Goes from 110 to 12 volt to power it, and it takes a little diesel fuel. That right there is my diesel. I know I should have a yellow can, but there's my designated diesel. Warm air. It's got an intake right here. Warmest air you ever seen. 3 minutes, just turned it on. Clicks for a little bit, but it's silent except for a little bit of fan noise, and very, very lightweight. Yeah, check it out. I'll send you a photograph of it as well.